Everybody, John Sewell here from Florida Auction Network LLC out of Panama City, Florida. You were looking at a 91 International with a DT 466 coming from the City of Niceville over here in Florida. As you can see, the passenger side of the windshield is spider web. All of the tires are either in dry rot or bald. They need to be replaced. It is an operational truck according to the City of Niceville. We put jump packs on it, fired right up. As you can see, there's no smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. The machine seems to be fully operational. It did take gear well forward and backward. As you can see, she's been sitting through the past couple days worth of rain. We've got some water coming out of the bed right now, so that's a pretty good sign that it holds water and it's coming out where it should. The bed looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't see anything spewing, spurting, or leaking hydraulic fluid. Like I said, operational machine, air brakes aired up, no problem. They come off, no problem. So as you can see, the tires will need to be replaced. The bed goes all the way up as it should. Seems to be a fully operational machine as the City of Niceville has represented it. Looks like she holds oak leaves pretty well. I don't see any gaping holes or any issues there. Like I say, it didn't pull water out until we dumped it. Seems to be an operational machine, as they say. You can hear that 2001 Sterling over my shoulder. We're going to pull it out next and do the video on it. Folks, my name is John Sewell. I am the owner and the auctioneer for Florida Auction Network LLC here in Panama City, Florida. This truck is going to be sitting over in Niceville at one of their yards. You'll be responsible for going over and jumping it off and taking it with you. If you have any questions, my name is John Sewell. I'm the owner and the auctioneer. You can reach me at 850-896-2343. Once again, that's 850-896-2343. Thank you.